How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. What's our hobbies?
My hobbies are reading novels and watching movies and learning new things every day.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is, I think, not movie, a web series, Breaking Bad.
Are you fond of reading books?
Yes, I'm fond of reading books. I love literature and I'm fan of Munshi Premchand, and also I have read Shakespeare and Sherlock Holmes, and my favorite writer is my favorite writer is, I forgot her name. Uh, she is, I'm sorry. Um, how can I forget her name? Oh, my favorite writer is Harishankar Rai Bachchan and also Bhagwati Charan Verma.
How long have you been reading books?
I have been reading books since I was in my school. I think from class 6 onwards, I started reading books from library, and now I have my own collection of books and novels.
With whom do you reading books? Sorry, with whom
With whom?
do you read books?
No, I don't read books with anyone. Like, I don't have friends who read books. I read myself alone. Sometimes I prefer online, and sometimes I prefer hardcover books.
Which is your favorite books?
My favorite book is A Thousand Splendid Sun by Khalid Hosseini.
Are you fond of reading books?
Yes, I'm fond of reading books, and I forgot to tell that my favorite book is A Thousand Splendid Sun and Kite Runner. Both books are from Khalid Hosseini.
How long have you been reading books?
I have been reading books since I was in my class 6,
Why do you like books?
because it gives me an imaginary world where I can imagine characters and create my own worlds. I can feel their emotions, and it is a best way to spend your leisure time.
What you like English and Hindi books?
What?
What you like Hindi and English books?
I prefer both Hindi and English literature, and I also prefer the Metamorphosis by Kafka. German literature is also good, but my favorite genre is Hindi literature.
Mm. Do you like play indoor games like chess and other games?
I like playing chess, and I don't like playing Ludos and other games. I only like playing chess, and I like playing outdoor games also, but I'm not good at it.
Okay, you ask you read many books. You read The Power of Our Subconscious Mind.
Yes, I have read that book. I didn't read it in hardcover form. I listened to it on YouTube. It is uploaded in the audio format. I listened to it, and for some time I believed it also. But I don't believe that the motivational books and motivational videos helps you. They are just temporary rewards for your mind that you feel motivated for sometimes. But the real motivation comes within inside you.
Okay, this book impact you and change your life.
For some days it impacted me that I was so impressed by it. I also forwarded it to my father. He haven't read it, he haven't even seen it, but for me, for sometimes it helped me. But I believe that for some people it also is a very effective book like Atomic Habit and Subconscious Mind. But for me, motivational videos, books don't work. I'm a very demotivated person.
Okay.
Are you fond of traveling?
Yes, I'm fond of reading.
Which is your favorite place? Travel
Favorite
place.
place, I think my favorite place is my home. I like spending my time alone, in solitude.
What do you live alone?
What?
What do you live alone?
Why do I live alone? Basically, I don't live alone. I have my family, but I like to spend my time alone, where I can think, I can process my mind, and I can understand myself.
What are your ambition, dream?
Ambition. My dream is to become an ambitious teacher. Uh, so basically, I don't have big dreams. I just have dreams that I have a positive impact on my students. Like students remember me as a person who helped him and who who is something that they did for them. I don't have many dreams of becoming rich or having a large apartment or car. I just want to be someone special or someone's important person in their life.
Are you a teacher?
I think I am a teacher. I'm currently doing my internship from government school Gothada, and the students there loves me, and I'm so overwhelmed by their emotions. They write letters to me that I am their best teacher and all, and it felt so good. So I think I'm on the process of being a teacher.
Which is better life, teacher life and student life?
I think student life is best. When you become a teacher, you have so many responsibilities. You have responsibility of your students, or how they are performing, which students are facing difficulty or not. When you are a student, you have your own difficulties, but you are kind of in the phase in between becoming a mature person or behaving childish. You can choose whatever ways you want to behave, but for a teacher, it is a very responsible job.
How many choice did you teaching?
What? I don't understand your question.
How many choice did you teaching? Did you have teaching? आप teaching को क्यों चुना? Many choice.
Earlier, I want to become a doctor. Like other people's, I want to become a doctor. That's why I have taken biology and prepared for NEET also. But somehow it always demotivated, and somehow it felt like I'm not belong to that professions. I spent 4 years in depression because of that preparation. I just felt that I'm not enough. I'm not good. I am a burden on this earth, and I felt so demotivated. Then I gave up on my dream. I wanted to become a doctor because other people are doing being doctors and preparing for that, and I took that thing on my ego that I am not capable of clearing that exam. But in reality, I have realized that I was not meant to become a doctor. I feel so comfortable in my professions that when I teach, I feel so good. I feel comfortable. I have opportunities to learn new things, and I'm a very sensitive and emotional person. So I know that I couldn't able to handle the patients and the emotions the patients feel and their family felt. So now I feel like the teaching was the profession I should have chosen earlier also.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Gothra, near Jhajjar.
What's your name?
My name is Gunjan Shekhawat.
Do you like cooking?
I This is a question. I don't think I like cooking. I like to make Maggie sometimes, and I am good at boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius, but I don't like cooking.
Do you like traveling?
What?
Do you like traveling?
No, I don't like traveling. I hate traveling.
What's your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books and learning new things.
What do you do?
I am currently pursuing my B.Ed from SN Girls B.Ed College, and I'm on my internship.
What do you do your free time?
I read books and help my family in household chores.
Are you fond of traveling?
No, I'm not fond of traveling because I don't feel comfortable traveling in bus, and I got motion sickness also.
Are you fond of riding?
Riding? No, I don't know how to ride a bike. I know how to ride a cycle, and I also drive car sometimes, but I don't ride anything else.
Which is novels do you like mostly?
What?
Which novels do you like mostly?
I like novels which are focused on female characters, their struggles. Like the Thousand Splendid Sun explores the themes of Afghanistan women facing hardships, the bans imposed on them, and the restrictions they were facing, and their life in the wartime.
Which kind of books do you like, fictional or real life based, which is autobiography or biography?
No, I don't. Basically, I like all the books, but my most favorite genre is where a strong female character emerges from her struggles.
You said that you want to become a passionate teacher.
Yes.
So, what is your experience about teaching till now?
I have done like I when I was in class 6, I used to give tuitions for class 1 to class 2, and in all my school time I had given tuitions. I have taught math, science, English, all the subjects to students. And recently when I joined B.Ed, I used to give tuitions also, but now I don't get time to give tuitions. And other than tuitions, I had internship experience, and I have took classes here also.
Do you like children?
What?
Do you like children while teaching them?
I like children's while teaching them.
Yes.
Yes, they are innocent. Some of them are innocent, some of them are not. But I think that each and every children's have their unique experiences and unique perspectives towards their teachers. You have to understand them, that some of my students are so naughty and so like they like to tease the teacher also, they don't want to study also, but they also wants to learn something. When you give importance to them, that they think that teacher don't give any attention to them, but when you really pays attention to them, they listens to you. Some of my students were like that, but now they have changed also.
Okay, so good conversation.